Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix and solve too many attempts, try again later on your GCash app. If you're facing such issue, then what next you want to do is you have to follow this simple steps. So this sort of issues, what you could do is, in order to fix it, first of all, you could always go and check for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to this sort of issue. So go to your Play Store. And on the search box, you want to type in GCash. Check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So here you'll be able to find update. So click the update button, after which you'll go ahead and log into your account, check whether the issue has been solved or not. If that doesn't seem to be working out, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. That you want to long press the GCash application, after which you want to go to this app info icon, and then you want to go to this storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as data. Now clearing your storage will delete all of your data permanently. Now if you're only sure about this, then go ahead and click the OK button, or else just leave it as it is. After which, what you also want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure to force stop the application for a couple of seconds, and at the same time reinstall your GCash app and restart your device. That can be able to help you fix your issue. Or else sometimes you must have entered some incorrect information or the credential while trying to access GCash account, so that can cause such issues. So go ahead and check for typos or errors that you've made while logging into your account. If nothing seems to be working out, you could always go and contact the support team, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out to fix your issue. So that's the way you could go ahead and fix and solve too many attempts, try again later on GCash app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.